Hello! Today I will tell you how to make a cartoon like this using AKVIS Sketch video. Here I have some festive videos. Let's create a full HD sequence. Next, change the frame rate to 10. This helps to avoid fast strokes hatching, and besides, it fits the old cartoon style. Now it's editing time. Don't forget to choose the right music. After all, music is half the success. When the editing is done, let's move on to the effects. As usual, AKVIS plugins offer a huge range of presets. Also, the plugin has 3 variants. However, in this video we will only use 2, Artistic and Classic. Use a preset you like for each clip. It's important to use the colored version of each preset, not the black and white one. For our goal, this is what we need. Now pre-render the video to make it easier to work with. Here is rendered video, ready for work. It is still in color, so now we're gonna fix it. Drop the black and white effect into every clip. Now create a mask and invert it. Trick is, we will gradually expand this circle mask, which will colorize the picture. Create animation on mask expansion. At the beginning, make it small, and at the end, expand it significantly. Place the circle where you want the mask to expand from. Increase the feather parameter. This is how the animation looks like. Now you can copy to other clips and just move the circle where you need it. If necessary, you can increase or decrease the expansion on the second keyframe. Now let's move on to the last clip. We can remove the black and white effect here and put a nice transition. Let's add some inspiring text using text tool. Type whatever you want, add some shadows and outline. And that's it. Just render the video and let your dreams come true.